Hello there, Grammar Cynthia. Today I want to teach you some prepositions of place. What are prepositions? Prepositions are those teeny tiny words that usually confuse a lot of people, especially at the beginning of English learning journey, like in, at, on, about, out, for, and so on. And as very soon we're all going to enjoy Halloween holiday, so I've decided to grab these things to help me with the explanations. So what do we have here? A Halloween market, some candies, and a table, of course. As for prepositions that you are going to learn today, they are in, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, above, below. Okay, shall we start? Look, listen and repeat after me. And let's begin with the preposition in. In. The Kinder Surprise is in the Halloween bucket. In. In the bucket. The Kinder Surprise is in the Halloween bucket. The candy is in the Halloween bucket. In. In the bucket. The candy is in the Halloween bucket. On. The Kinder Surprise is on the table. On. On the table. The Kinder Surprise is on the table. The Halloween bucket is on the table. On. On the table. The Halloween bucket is on the table. Under. The candy is under the Kinder Surprise. Under. Under the Kinder Surprise. The candy is under the Kinder Surprise. Two candies are under the Kinder Surprise. Under. Under the Kinder Surprise. Two candies are under the Kinder Surprise. In front of. The candy is in front of the bucket. In front of. In front of. In front of the bucket. The candy is in front of the bucket. The Kinder Surprise is in front of the bucket. In front of. In front of. In front of the bucket. The Kinder Surprise is in front of the bucket. Behind. The bucket is behind the Kinder Surprise. Behind. Behind the Kinder Surprise. The bucket is behind the Kinder Surprise. The Kinder Surprise is behind the candy. Behind. Behind the candy. The Kinder Surprise is behind the candy. Next to. The bucket is next to the Kinder Surprise. Next to. Next to the Kinder Surprise. The bucket is next to the Kinder Surprise. The candy is next to the bucket. Next to. Next to the bucket. The candy is next to the bucket. Between. The bucket is between two Kinder Surprises. Between. Between two Kinder Surprises. The bucket is between two Kinder Surprises. The Kinder Surprise is between two candies. Between. Between two candies. The Kinder Surprise is between two candies. Above. The Kinder Surprise is above the Halloween bucket. Above. Above the Halloween bucket. The Kinder Surprise is above the Halloween bucket. The bucket is above the candies. Above. Above the candies. The bucket is above the candies. Below. The Kinder Surprise is below the Halloween bucket. Below. Below the Halloween bucket. The Kinder Surprise is below the Halloween bucket. The Halloween bucket is below the Kinder Surprise. Below. Below the Kinder Surprise. The Halloween bucket is below the Kinder Surprise. Okay, now I'm going to show you some pictures and I'm going to give you some sentences with the prepositions you just learned. Your task will be to look carefully, listen to my sentences and repeat after me. The cats are in the box. In the box. The cats are in the box. The donuts are in the box. In the box. The donuts are in the box. The cup is on the table. On the table. The cup is on the table. Your tea is on the table. On the table. Your tea is on the table. The girl is under the tree. Under the tree. The girl is under the tree. The bench is under the tree. Under the tree. The bench is under the tree. The car is in front of the house. In front of the house. The car is in front of the house. The bicycle is in front of the house. In front of the house. The bicycle is in front of the house. The cat is behind the window. Behind the window. The cat is behind the window. The ship is behind the window. Behind the window. The ship is behind the window. The cat is next to the coffee cup. Next to the coffee cup. The cat is next to the coffee cup. The flower is next to the coffee cup. Next to the coffee cup. The flower is next to the coffee cup. The oil is between the basil and tomatoes. Between the basil and tomatoes. The oil is between the basil and tomatoes. The orange pepper is between the red pepper and the yellow pepper. Between the red pepper and the yellow pepper. The orange pepper is between the red pepper and the yellow pepper. The kite is above the boy. Above the boy. The kite is above the boy. The parrot is above the pirate. Above the pirate. The parrot is above the pirate. The red button is below the green button. Below the green button. The red button is below the green button. The picture is above the sofa. Above the sofa. The picture is above the sofa. And now let's have some practice to memorize today's prepositions. In a moment, I'm going to give you a picture and some kind of a hint. Your task will be to look carefully and give me the correct preposition. You can also stop the video if you want to give the full sentence. Let's start. Great job, guys! Let's recall all the prepositions of place you've learned today. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, above, below. Your homework for today will be to choose 3 prepositions of place you've just learned and make your own sentences with them. And don't forget to share your examples in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as I upload new videos. Add the lesson to the playlist to watch it later to revise and memorize vocabulary easier and faster. And share the lesson with your friends and family who learn English.